Puja Seva, Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prastaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swami Niti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pacharane Nivasesha Shunyavari Paskachara Zatarane. Dear Srila Prabhupada, please accept my most humble obeisances in the dust of your lotus feet. Thank you for giving us so many delightful festivals celebrating Lord Sri Krishna's pastimes. Due to the wonderful organisation of Ajita, Driti Gopi and countless others, last Sunday's Govardhan Puja and Go Puja was a great success. Many devotees who had not been able to visit New Govardhan of late left blissful and fully satisfied. By divine arrangement, Srila Prabhupada, you appeared on the day after Lord Sri Krishna, ensuring forevermore a wonderful 2-day festival at that time each year. You left this world, as many of your predecessor acharyas did, during the holy month of Kartik, just a few days after Govardhan Puja. You continue translating and commenting on the Brahma Vimohana Leela of Srimad Bhagavatam's 10th canto, up to almost the end of your extraordinary life. Just weeks before, you requested Lokanath Swami to arrange a bullock cart ride for you around Govardhan Hill. When the devotees protested that your frail body would not be able to endure such an ordeal, you finally agreed not to go. You did comment, though, that to pass away while circumambulating Govardhan Hill would be glorious. Years earlier, you had said a similar thing to Sumati Maharaji. Out of affectionate concern, she also protested your plans to go abroad. It's so cold there, she said, you could die. Then it would be a wonderful death, you countered, preaching Sri Krishna's glories in the foreign lands. I remember this week, 43 years ago, Srila Prabhupada, being present here at your only recently acquired New Govardhan for the first Govardhan Puja festival in November of 1977. We chanted and danced with youthful exuberance, read Krishna book and feasted on delicious prasadam. A few days later, back in Sydney, the announcement was made by His Grace Sri Bhuvanath Prabhu that you had performed your final disappearance pastime. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has written, he reasons ill who tells that Vaishnavas die when thou art living still and sound. A Vaishnava dies to live, and whilst living tries to spread the holy names around. Your Divine Grace gave a lecture in Surat in 1970 on the occasion of the disappearance anniversary of your own spiritual master, Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur Prabhupada. You likened the appearance and disappearance of our spiritual masters to sunrises and sunsets. You said both are beautiful. When the Acharya's sun disappears in one place, he reappears elsewhere, perhaps in Goloka or on Krishna's direct order in some other part of the Lord's creation. Whilst in San Francisco in 1967, a letter arrived from one of your family members back in India. It was to inform you that your older sister was gravely ill and preparing to leave. A week later, a second letter arrived to let you know that your older sister had indeed left this world. Putting the letter aside, you became grave. Shyamasundar Prabhu, who had brought your mail, asked, "Good news, Swamiji?" To which you replied, "Yes, my sister has died and gone back to Godhead. She was a good devotee." To the uninitiated, your comment about a family member's passing may seem unusual. But from your transcendental vision, your sister's life and departure was gloriously good. Srila Prabhupada, you always stressed that your Vani instructions were more important than your Vapu personal association. With a profound mixture of sadness on this your Tirubhav Mahotsava, but profound gratitude for everything you have given me, please bless this fallen soul to never forget your instructions and allow me to continue serving your servants here at New Govardhan. Your insignificant son, Alalanath Das.